Hello students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we will see the eighth part of the chapter 3 differentiation. In earlier part we have solved question 1. Today we will solve the next question of exercise 3.4. Here are the rest questions of exercise 3.4, question 2 and question 3. All the solution of these questions are given in the video ahead. So you can refer from that and you can learn the method from by solving. So try it on your own to get the method, learn or get by hearted. Okay.
Today let's continue the exercise 3.4, which is based on differentiation of implicit function. Okay, see the question 2 first part is y into e raised to x plus x into e raised to y equals to 1. Here we have to find dy by dx. So this is an implicit function. We cannot separate x and y terms both. Okay, so let's differentiate it. Okay, differentiating both sides, we get d by dx of y into e raised to x plus d by dx of x into e raised to y equals to d by dx of 1. Okay, now this is product of two functions, so we apply u into v formula. Okay, so y into d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x into d by dx of y. This is first. Now take the second. X into d by dx of e raised to y plus e raised to y into d by dx of x equals to 0, since derivative of any constant is 0. Okay, now see y into d by dx of e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is same, e raised to x plus e raised to x into derivative of y is dy by dx plus here derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, but we are differentiating term of y, so we write here dy by dx plus e raised to y into d by dx of x is 1. Okay, now collect the term containing dy by dx, e raised to x plus x into e raised to y dy by dx. Okay, e raised to x, here also dy by dx equals to minus e raised to y minus y into e raised to x. Okay, now take dy by dx common, we get e raised to x plus x into e raised to y equals to, take minus common here, we get y into e raised to x plus e raised to y. Okay, therefore we have dy by dx equals to minus y into e raised to x plus e raised to y upon x into e raised to y plus e raised to x. Clear? So this is the final answer. Okay, now question 2, x raised to y equals to e raised to x minus y. Here it is function raised to function, composite function, so we have to take log, taking log on both sides. On taking log we get log x raised to y equals to log of e raised to x minus y. Then by property of log we have y log x equals to x minus y log of e. Since log of e is 1, so we write x minus y here. Then y log x equals to x minus y. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x. Y into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of y equals to d by dx of x minus y. Clear? After this, y into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into this is dy by dx equals to derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay, now collecting the term containing dy by dx, log x dy by dx, this will come this side and become plus dy by dx. On right side we have 1, this will be shifted in the right side, we get minus y by x. Okay, now taking dy by dx common, we have log x plus 1 equals to cross multiply here x minus y by x. Okay, after this divide by the term log x plus 1, we get 1 by log x plus 1. So you can also write it here as x minus y by x log x plus 1. Okay, here see we got dy by dx equals to x minus y upon x log x plus 1 now. So from 1 we can also write x minus y is equals to y log x is given now. So we can also write x as y plus y log x. Okay, so we put this value here from 1. In place of x we write y plus y log x and log x plus 1. Okay, and in place of x minus y we can write y log x upon, here we take y as common, 1 plus log x into log x plus 1, then y log x upon y. This is same 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x, so it will become 1 plus log x whole square and y will cancel out. Then we got log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. Okay, so this is your final answer of dy by dx. Clear? See the next sum, here it is given xy equals to log of xy. Okay, differentiating on both sides with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get d by dx of x into y equals to d by dx of log xy. Okay, now x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x equals to, here derivative of log function is 1 by x, so we get 1 by xy into d by dx of xy. The same thing coming here, so we write this same Same thing here also, no? X into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x. Here it could become x into dy by dx plus y into 1. Okay. So x into dy by dx plus y equals to 1 upon xy x dy by dx plus y. Okay, now collect the term containing dy by dx. X dy by dx from here, this will shift and become minus 1 upon xy dy by dx, x upon xy equals to, multiply this y upon xy, then this will be shifted here and become minus y. Here x and x cancel out, y and y cancel out. From here we can take dy by dx common, we get x minus 1, and from here we get 1 minus y. So dy by dx equals to 1 minus y upon x minus 1. Okay, sorry. Clear? So divide this term here, we get dy by dx equals to 1 minus y upon x minus 1. Clear? It's okay? So our next question is question number 3. Solve the following. Here question is given, if x raised to 5 into y raised to 7 equals to x plus y raised to 12, then show that dy by dx equals to y by x. Okay, here we have to show this. So this can be solved by taking log on both sides. Okay, this is the standard method. In this way you have to solve this question. Taking log on both sides, we get log x raised to 5 into y raised to 7 equals to log of x plus y raised to 12. Okay, log of m into n is log m plus log n equals to, here it will become 12 log of x plus y. It can be written as 5 log x plus 7 log y equals to 12 log x plus y. Clear? Understood now? This much? Okay. Now we have to differentiate. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides, we get 5 into derivative of log x plus 7 into derivative of log y equals to 12 into derivative of log x plus y. Okay, so 5 into derivative of log x is 1 by y x plus 7 into derivative of log y is 1 by y and dy by dx equals to 12 into derivative of log x plus y is 1 upon x plus y into d by dx of x plus y. Okay, here it becomes 5 by x plus 7 by y dy by dx equals to 12 1 upon x plus y and 1 plus dy by dx. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay, opening the bracket, we get 12 upon x plus y plus 12 upon x plus y along with dy by dx. Okay, copying this same, Now we consider the term of dy by dx. Okay, so 7 upon y dy by dx minus 12 upon x plus y dy by dx equals to 12 upon x plus y minus 5 by x. Okay, now taking dy by dx common, we get dy by dx in brackets 7 upon y minus 12 upon x plus y equals to 12 upon x plus y minus 5 by x. Now we have to take cross multiplication and LCM both sides. Okay, so taking LCM, we get dy by dx. Here y into x plus y, 7 into x plus y on cross multiplication minus 12y. Okay, on right side also same, x into x plus y, here cross multiplication 12x minus 5 into x plus y. Okay, now solving this, here multiply, we get 7x plus 7y minus 12y dy by dx, and here we get 12x minus 5x minus 5y upon x into x plus y. Okay, again here it will become 7x minus 5y, 7 minus 12 become minus 5y. Okay, upon y x plus y, and here 12 minus 5, 7x minus 5y upon x into x plus y. Now we need to shift this on right side. On shifting we get 7x minus 5y upon x plus y. This term is copied. Now it will come here and become the reciprocal. So we write y x plus y upon 7x minus 5y. See, this term is same, so we cancel out, and also x plus y. So what we get? We get dy by dx equals to y and x. So y by x. So we have dy by dx equals to y by x. Hence proved. Okay. Let's see next question. Next question is, if log of x plus y equals to log of x into y plus a, then show that dy by dx equals to minus y square upon x square. This is almost same. Okay, but see, here we don't take log. Okay, see, differentiating on both sides. Differentiating on both sides, we get derivative of log is 1 upon d by dx of log x plus y equals to d by dx of log x into y. Let's see, derivative of log is 1 upon, so 1 upon x plus y into d by dx of x plus y equals to derivative of log is, it is into x into y, 1 upon xy into d by dx of x into y. Okay, here 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus dy by dx equals to, here it is 1 upon xy into derivative of x into y. So derivative of x into dy by dx using product rule plus y into 1, derivative of x is 1. Okay, you can directly apply product rule here. Okay, now opening the brackets, we get 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon x plus y into dy by dx equals to x upon xy dy by dx plus y upon xy. Okay, here y will cancel out and x will cancel out. Now correcting in terms of dy by dx. So 1 upon x plus y dy by dx, this will come here and become minus 1 by y dy by dx equals to, it is 1 upon x. This will come this side on right side and become minus 1 upon x plus y. Okay, now taking dy by dx common, we get 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon y. Here the same thing, taking LCM and cross multiplication, we get x plus y minus x. Okay, now taking LCM and cross multiplication, here also we get y into x plus y minus x plus y equals to, opening the bracket, x plus y minus x upon x into x plus y. Okay, doing the same here also, opening the bracket, we get y minus x minus y upon y into x plus y equals to, here x will cancel out, we get y upon x and x plus y. Okay, here y will be cancelled out. So in the next step we have dy by dx equals to minus x upon y into x plus y equals to y upon x into x plus y. Okay, so now we will transfer this to this side. We get dy by dx is equals to y upon x into x plus y into y into x plus y upon minus x. Okay, so this x plus y will be cancelled out and y into y into y, dy by dx equals to y into y square upon x into minus x is minus x square. So put this minus sign here. So this is the real required result, hence we can write it, hence proved. Okay, clear now? Now see the last sum of this exercise 3.4. Here question is given, if e raised to x plus e raised to y equals to e raised to x plus y, then show that dy by dx equals to e raised to minus e raised to y minus x. Okay, here simply differentiating this, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to y equals to d by dx of e raised to x plus y. Derivative of e raised to x is same, e raised to x, plus derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y into dy by dx equals to, here we have to, derivative of e raised to x plus y is e raised to x plus y but into derivative of x plus y. So e raised to x plus e raised to y dy by dx equals to e raised to x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx. Okay, now opening the bracket, e raised to x plus y plus e raised to x plus y dy by dx. Now correcting the terms on one side, we get e raised to y dy by dx minus e raised to x plus y dy by dx equals to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. Okay. Now taking dy by dx common, we get e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y equals to, here e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x. Therefore dy by dx equals to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x upon e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y. Okay. So now replace this e raised to x plus y, since in the question is given e raised to x plus y is equals to e raised to x plus e raised to y. Okay, so we can replace e raised to x plus y with this. Okay, replace, writing here e raised to x plus e raised to y, so we get e raised to x cancel. In the same way, in denominator also minus e raised to x, so it will become minus e raised to x minus e raised to y. Here e raised to y will be cancelled out, so we get e raised to y upon minus e raised to x. This minus sign will be taken as here, and we get e raised to y upon e raised to x. So therefore we can say that dy by dx is equals to minus e raised to y minus x. This will go upside and become the minus. Okay, this is according to the law of exponent. Clear? So this is proved. Therefore we write here hence proved. Clear? I hope you all have understood this method. The last three questions are specific methods. You have to solve it more than 1, 2 or 3 times. Okay.